There were about 200,000 people. There were no buildings above 3 stories. It was right on the Mediterranean shore. And even when I was in 2nd grade, after school, I would go to the beach. And you didn't have to be chaperoned because it was safe. People didn't lock their houses because there were no burglaries. And so it was idyllic. Later on in Israel, on the subject of synagogue, we only went for the high holidays and Yom Kippur. And what they did in Tel Aviv, since 90% of the people were secular, they converted movie houses into synagogues. The big plus was, like for Yom Kippur, they could hire a very famous cantor. Because there were so many people, you buy the tickets, you could pay him. And that's why I fell in love with Kol Nidre, and which I still get goosepimples. And we had indeed great cantors who were opera singers in Europe and so on.